Allow your cake to cool down for 10 to 15 minutes before you attempt inversion. Welcome back, boulders, and here's mine, pineapple upside down cake. Let's start by mixing the brown sugar and melted butter. Generously whisk until it's thickened. And pour the mixture in the bottom part of the pan. Next, set the pineapple cherry settings. When it's done, set aside for a while. Now prepare the melted butter. Then add the granulated sugar. Whisk generously before you add the couple amount of eggs. Add some pineapple juice. Mix well till incorporated before we add our dry ingredients. We started with the flour, the baking powder, and the table salt. Sift all dry ingredients and pour it to the mixture and combine well to create a beautiful mixture. Looks like our cake batter is ready for baking. This cake is more or less around 800 to 900 grams, so you can always double or lessen down the recipe, depends on the consumer, it's all up to you. Don't forget to top the cake before you bake it in the oven to allow the bubbles to pop up, and then bake it for about 30 minutes over around 180 degrees temperature, and when it's done, cool it for a few minutes prior for cutting. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Fluffy, soft, and caramelized, topped with golden crisp outside. Is it just delicious? If you guys in rush, just pop up. It's not just because pineapple. You can have any fruits you like, or you can have it plain. Pop it in the fridge, do whisking, bake it. It's just an hour, you're done. So you got visitors, gatherings, rushing days, go into it. It's delicious and it's fun. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoy our video for today. And if you do, please don't forget to click like and share and subscribe button and hit notification bells for more updates. This is Cook TV signing off and saying bye bye.